investing in China 2022? Do you have the risk appetite? How about Metaverse stocks from China? We see that Chinese augmented reality glasses maker Nreal valued at 700 million after fresh round of funding, reflecting the hype in Metaverse concept stocks. Here's another report talking about China Metaverse concept stocks rising rapidly in the Chinese market. Is it only virtual reality tools manufacturers to stand to benefit? Here the value chain next that I have prepared. The virtual world as part of the value chain. The community loop needs e-commerce and payment tools, as well as services that can go into Metaverse. And not forgetting the infrastructure and software and hardware for Metaverse. And now the Chinese company, where Tencent shares its Metaverse vision for the first time. Xiaomi also invests in VR-based firm founded by known movie director Zhang Yimou. And not forgetting our beloved ByteDance, the owner of popular short video app TikTok that actually made its first foray into VR by acquiring Pico, a Chinese VR headset maker. And recently, Baidu also expanded Metaverse offerings and hold virtual conference via revamped VR app called the Xiran, which actually means Land of Hope in Chinese. Our dear NetEase CEO Ding Lei actually said that NetEase is also ready for Metaverse, and they believe that NetEase will be the front runner of China Metaverse. Our JT Tech, the tech arm of JD.com, also mentioned that they were offering free non-fungible tokens, badges to users registered for the company annual tech summit. For Huya, they also have a digital avatar that functions as a live streaming host for their fans. China big telecoms like China Mobile, China Unicom, and China Telecom all partner with several tech companies to form China's first industry group dedicated to the Metaverse. So what about the Chinese tech stock in this ecosystem as shown so far? Infrastructure and software, there's Alibaba, Tencent, and China Mobile. For hardware, there's ByteDance and Xiaomi. And virtual, there's definitely Tencent, NetEase, Huya, and Douyu. For community, there's Bilibili, Kuaishou, Huya, Weibo, Xiaomi, ByteDance, and Baidu. And not forgetting the e-commerce and payment tools where Tencent have the WeChat Pay and Alibaba got the Alipay. For services that can go into Metaverse, there's Bilibili, Kuaishou, Huya, ByteDance, Baidu. Some recap of Chinese tech stock in the ecosystem. After so much news on Chinese Metaverse stocks, state media also shares concern over speculation on Metaverse concept stocks. Certainly, Tencent has its view on Metaverse in China that shared that despite the signs of official misgiving, Tencent still remain optimistic, saying that the government could come out to support the concept. They believe the regulations governing China Metaverse will be very different from the global market, but believe that China is not fundamentally adverse to the Metaverse concept. But I want to caution the Amazon experience where successful bet the pace of billions of dollars of failure as mentioned by Jeff Bezos. To invest in China, we have to really understand what C. Nixon will mean for our China portfolio. To join head of equity research in Asia at Nobura, he believed that if a global pension funds only put all their eggs in the US market, that would be very skewed. He mentioned that as long as US equities start to underperform and Chinese equity, which are cheap on all aspects, and they start to outperform, then that's where investors will start to think about their Chinese allocation. And that may be a case that risk appetite may be stronger for Chinese equities. Similar to my US Metaverse concept view, how I look at the Metaverse concept in China, I see it from a venture capitalist perspective. Who wants a venture capital view? To have as high as an ROI as possible, because it's not easy to have every investment to succeed. That's where we aim to have a 10x for each investment. And remember that a lot of ideas fail, but big success pass for past failures, which is like the Amazon experience. The way to play this for me is, and I will choose one with good balance sheet. We must know that it's important to manage risk and either use a small percentage of portfolio to invest or wait for more pullback.
As always, this should not be construed as any investment or trading advice. Do stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can be kept updated promptly when I release new videos to reflect the changing market conditions.